This is Chaya Chandrakar from Shri Venkateswara College of Engineering, studying NCSE AI first SEM, and today we will know about the topic list, the list data type, and working with the list. So let us know what a list. A list is a collection of items or elements in a specific order in Python. Lists allow you to store multiple items in a single variable. They are versatile and can store mixed data types. Lists are mutable, so you can modify them easily. They are widely used in applications, including data storage, manipulation, and then processing. For example, let us see the examples of the list. First is a shopping list. Here, in the given list, you can observe there are three elements, which is milk, bread, and eggs. And then we have another form, that is numbers. Here, it is enclosed within the square bracket. The numbers are included. So this gives us another type of list. And here we have mixed data type. So in mixed data type, you can find different variables like a string or a number or a command. Here we have the features of Python list. First, it is ordered. The elements maintain their position in the list, and then it's mutable. You can change the content of the list after creation. And dynamic, they can grow or shrink as needed. In heterogeneous, lists can hold different data types simultaneously. Indexed, the elements can be indexed by index, for example, starting from 0 to any numbers. Next, we have creating list. For examples for creating list. First, we can create an empty list. So empty list can be created by empty list slash list is equals to, we can enclose with the square bracket without any variable added into it. And then we can also create list of numbers. So this will be defined as numbers is equals to, we can add all the numbers wanted in the enclosed in the brackets. And then as we know, it is mixed data types. In mixed data types, you can add different variables like numbers, string, or a float. And there is a special case, that is nested list. So in nested list, you can add list of lists. So basically in a list, you can add a list within that. For example, in a list enclosed, we can add a list of 3.3, 2, 4, or 5. And then again, the another list you can add 2, 4, 3, and another list you can add 4, 5, 6 within one list. Then we have accessing elements. So we can access the elements by index. For example, here we have fruits. So in fruits, we have apple, banana, and cherry. So here we want to access first element. So to access the first element, we can write print fruit 0. So here 0 is the index value of the first element. So here apple will be 0, banana will be 1, and cherry will be 2. So we want to know in the fruits the first element, the 0th element. So here the 0th element will be apple. So the output will be apple. And then we want to access the last element. Here you can access the last element even in the negative order. So for example, -1, -1. So here the output will be cherry. And then here we can have slicing. So in slicing we have a list of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So slicing can be done from first index number to fourth index number. So here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So from 1 to 4 we have the elements 1, 2, and 3. And then here again we have 1, 0 to 2. So here we have 0, 2, and 4. And then other one we have -1. So it gives elements of entire thing. Next we have modifying the list. So we can modify list in different types. First we can add elements. So in add elements we have append function. So you can add an element item at the end. So here we'll take the fruits example. So fruits.append date. So for the fruits list what we have taken before, so we're going to append the other fruit date for that. So here you can use it as print fruits. So you have used the append function over here and you have entered the element which you want to add to the list. So here as we type print fruits, the element will be appended. You can see here the output is apple, banana, cherry and date. So you can observe here in the output the element which we have given in the append function has been added. And then we have insert. So add an item at a specific position. So here we have used again fruits dot, we have used the same example, that is fruits list. So here we have fruits dot insert. So we have here 1. So 1 we have referred as apple, 1 will be referred as the index value. So in that we had 0 as apple. So this will indicate that after 0, which will be the indication will be 1. So in the 1 position, index value position, we want the element named orange to be inserted. So here if you give the command print fruits, so in the first index value orange will be appended or inserted. So here the list will, the output will be apple, orange, banana and cherry. So here you can observe an extra element is added to the list. So again we have removing elements. Here you can remove by value. So here you can give fruits.remove and the element to be removed. And if you give the command print fruits, you can observe here in the output the given element has been removed. And we have pop. In this it controls two functions, which is remove and return an element. So in this we have last slash fruit is equals to fruits.pop function we have used. So here we have given the command to give the last element of the list. So here it is given a last element of the list, which in our list we had considered a list of fruits. So in that the last element was cherry. As we have given the command of the last thing, so here we'll get the output as the last element of that particular list. We have some other operations, just sorting. So when we give a number of list, here when we use the sort function, it sorts the elements in an order. For example, here we have numbered 1 3 3 1 4 2. So here it has been unsorted, it's not in order. So when we use the sort function, we will get the number in an order, that will be 1 2 3 4. And then we have here reversing. So this function gives us the reverse value order, which will be 4 3 2 1. And then we have common use cases where the list can be commonly used in our daily lives. So finding unique elements. So we have a list called duplicates. So in that we have 1 2 2 3 4 4. So here unique is equals to list set of duplicates. So here we want duplicates, how many or what duplicates we have in the list. So here when we use this function, we'll get, when we print the function, we'll get the types of duplicates or the number of duplicates are there in the given list. So here you can see 1 is there and there is 2, so it will give 2 and 3 and 4. And then here we have combining two lists. So we have two types of list, that is list 1 and list 2. So in list 1 we have the elements 1 2 3, and in list 2 we have A B C. So here we are using comment is equals to list, and we are using a zip. Zip basically combines two things in one place. So here we are using the function combined, and then we are using the you're using zip. So here it gets combined, and then we have list 1 and list 2. So in list 1 we have 1 and A, and then here we have second element as 2 and B, and third element as 3 and C. So here these two elements gets combined, so the output will be 1A, 2B and 3C. I give a conclusion as a summary for the list topic. So lists are one of the most versatile and widely used data types in Python. Avoid modifying a list while iterating over it. They allow a dynamic data manipulation, indexing and storage of mixed data types. Use built-in list methods for common operations like sorting and reversing. Advanced techniques like slicing, nesting and comprehensions make lists extremely powerful. Thank you for watching the video. Do like.